And the coronavirus Delta variant is spreading across the metro. That's the message from 10 local health departments this morning. The departments in these 9 counties and Kansas City, Missouri issued a public health advisory recommending everyone 12 and older get vaccinated. Health experts say it'll protect you and the people around you.
We've got some populations that can't be vaccinated. So it's really up to the rest of us to get vaccinated, also to protect them.
That health advisory says make sure kids under the age of 12 are around adults who have been fully vaccinated. It also says people who don't get the vaccine should wear a mask indoors, in crowds, and when they're in close contact with other unvaccinated people. And KMBC wanted to hear from people about the state of this pandemic with rising COVID numbers in the Kansas City area. Most agree with that mask reminder, but many said this is discouraging news to hear this far into the pandemic. Some said those who are unvaccinated aren't taking the proper precautions from the virus.
A lot of people not wearing masks that has not got vaccinated. They just using that as an excuse because they don't want to wear a mask.
They got to mandate it because like they did before when it first started. Because you don't know what we got going on. Really, you don't know. And anybody could have it. We would do that, social distance and wear masks. I think it'd go back to where it was, go back down.
A reminder, this health advisory is only a recommendation for masks right now. Less than 50% of Missourians are fully vaccinated, but the state also leads the nation in new cases per capita. In Kansas City, Missouri, the number of new cases has tripled in this past month. The director of the CDC calls it a pandemic of the unvaccinated. ABC's Christine Sloan has the latest on the rising numbers of hospitalizations and deaths as vaccination rates plunge.
A reality check in the fight against COVID-19. An alarming spike in COVID cases. Vaccination rates down nearly 85% since mid-April. The president doubling down on the Surgeon General's warning about the threat of misinformation on the pandemic and vaccines, taking aim at Facebook and other social media platforms.
They're killing people. I mean, look. The only pandemic we have is among the unvaccinated.
Facebook firing back, touting the millions who utilize their vaccine finder tool. The social media giant releasing a statement saying, quote, "We will not be distracted by accusations which aren't supported by the facts." And among vaccinated people, questions about breakthrough infections.
The good news is that people with the breakthrough infections don't get super sick, they don't get hospitalized or die at the same rate.
The U.S. daily case average jumping 129% since mid-June. California topping 4,600 new COVID cases, the most since February. Los Angeles County implementing a mask mandate again. Starting tonight, everyone vaccinated or unvaccinated urged to wear a mask when indoors.
Well, I believe that the decision made by the LA County is appropriate because of the data.
10 other California counties recommending masks when indoors, too. In Las Vegas, regional health officials urging masks for people who are vaccinated and unvaccinated. And in Louisiana, officials warning the state is entering a 4th surge. Christine Sloan, ABC News, New York.
The Johnson County Health Department is updating its guidance for the new school year in Kansas. The department wants schools to promote vaccinations, require masks for unvaccinated people indoors, and keep those with COVID-19 at home, along with anyone they come in close contact with. There are 6 vaccination clinics in Johnson County happening this weekend at a lot of churches. Some of the clinics are geared toward immigrant communities and those who speak Spanish. There's also one for people who are deaf.
We really want to serve people where they're at. We want to serve them in their community.
Johnson County, Kansas has the highest local vaccination rate in the metro at over 50% of people fully vaccinated. Clay County is at 41%. Kansas City, Missouri, Jackson County and Platte County are at 36%. And Wyandotte and Cass County is at about 32%. Starting on Monday, Children's Mercy Hospitals will have walk-in vaccine clinics at its Broadway and Adele Hall campuses. This is for kids age 12 all the way up to 22. The hours are 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. Monday through Thursday and 9 to 1 on Friday.